Welcome back to Auto Garage. Today, we're taking a close look at a vehicle that redefines what ultra-luxury means in the SUV world. Meet the all-new 2026 Toyota Century SUV Luxury Edition, a masterpiece that combines Japanese craftsmanship, executive-class comfort, and cutting-edge technology into one extraordinary package. From the very first glance, the Century SUV commands attention. Its massive vertical chrome grille dominates the front fascia, creating a bold and prestigious presence unlike anything else on the road. The deep metallic burgundy finish gives the vehicle an elegant and sophisticated appearance, while the sharp LED lighting signatures add a futuristic touch. Every line, every detail, and every surface has been designed to project luxury, power, and exclusivity. Toyota has long been known for reliability and quality, but the Century represents something entirely different. It is the pinnacle of Toyota's engineering and craftsmanship, designed for those who demand the very best. This SUV is not built to compete with ordinary luxury vehicles. Instead, it stands alongside the most prestigious names in the automotive world, offering a unique blend of comfort, refinement, and understated elegance. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The cabin feels more like a private luxury lounge than a traditional SUV interior. Premium leather upholstery covers nearly every surface, while handcrafted wood accents and brushed metal details create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, providing a calm and relaxing environment for every journey. The rear seating area is where the Century SUV truly shines. Designed with executive passengers in mind, the spacious rear compartment offers reclining captain's chairs with leg rests, massage functions, heating, ventilation, and exceptional comfort. Long journeys become effortless as passengers enjoy first-class levels of luxury and relaxation. Large entertainment screens, premium audio systems, and advanced climate controls ensure every passenger enjoys a world-class travel experience. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Century SUV. A fully digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information with crystal-clear graphics, while a large infotainment display offers seamless connectivity and entertainment options. Advanced voice controls, wireless smartphone integration, and intelligent navigation systems make every trip more convenient and enjoyable. Under the hood, the Century SUV is expected to feature a highly refined hybrid powertrain that balances impressive performance with exceptional smoothness. Toyota's engineering focus is not on aggressive acceleration but rather on delivering effortless power and whisper-quiet operation. The result is a driving experience that feels serene, confident, and incredibly refined. Ride quality is another area where the Century excels. Advanced suspension systems continuously adapt to road conditions, ensuring passengers remain comfortable regardless of the terrain. Whether traveling through city streets, cruising on the highway, or arriving at a luxury event, the Century SUV glides with remarkable composure and grace. Safety remains a top priority as well. The latest generation of Toyota Safety Sense technology provides a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, and advanced parking technologies. These features work together to enhance confidence and security on every journey. What makes the 2026 Toyota Century SUV Luxury Edition truly special is its philosophy. While many luxury vehicles focus on attracting attention through aggressive styling and flashy features, the Century emphasizes elegance, craftsmanship, and comfort. It is a vehicle designed for individuals who appreciate refinement and exclusivity without needing to make a loud statement. The 2026 Toyota Century SUV Luxury Edition stands as a symbol of prestige, innovation, and timeless luxury. It showcases Toyota's ability to create not just a vehicle, but an experience that rivals the finest luxury automobiles in the world. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. If you enjoyed this look at the incredible 2026 Toyota Century SUV Luxury Edition, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive content. We'll see you in the next video.